When you think of global tech giants, names like Apple, Samsung, or Huawei might come to mind. But there's another contender quietly dominating markets around the world: Xiaomi. Once seen as just a budget smartphone maker, Xiaomi has grown into a multi-billion-dollar empire spanning smartphones, AI, home devices, and even electric cars. But how did this Chinese startup rise from nothing to challenge tech's biggest players? And is its stock worth investing in today? Let's dive into the fascinating story of Xiaomi Corporation, ticker XIACY, 1810HK. The origin story: Xiaomi was founded in 2010 by Lei Jun, a visionary entrepreneur often called the Steve Jobs of China. From the very beginning, Xiaomi's mission was simple: to make high-quality technology accessible to everyone. Unlike other phone brands, Xiaomi launched without any physical stores. It built its early success online, using flash sales, viral marketing, and community-driven feedback to sell millions of devices directly to customers. Their first smartphone, the Mi 1, sold out in minutes. And by 2014, Xiaomi became the #1 smartphone brand in China, beating Samsung and Apple on their own turf. The business model behind the boom. Xiaomi's success isn't just about cheap phones. It's about a genius business model. The company uses a triathlon strategy, combining hardware, smartphones, IoT devices, internet services, ads, apps, cloud storage, retail ecosystem, My stores, and online sales. Xiaomi famously operates on razor-thin margins, often making less than 5% profit per device. So how do they make money? Through the ecosystem. Once you buy a Xiaomi phone, you're more likely to buy their smart TVs, air purifiers, smartwatches, routers, and AI home assistants. It's a web of interconnected products, all powered by the MIUI operating system, which also drives ad revenue. This ecosystem now includes over 600 million monthly active users. Global expansion and innovation. After conquering China, Xiaomi set its sights abroad. Today, it's one of the top 3 smartphone manufacturers in the world, alongside Apple and Samsung. It dominates markets like India, Southeast Asia, and parts of Europe. And Xiaomi is no longer just about phones. In 2025, the company is investing heavily in AI, smart devices, and its new EV project, the SU7 electric car. This diversification makes Xiaomi a hybrid tech company, part Apple, part Tesla, and part Google. The SU7, set to compete with Tesla's Model 3, has already generated buzz in China for its sleek design and powerful specs, signaling that Xiaomi wants to redefine mobility just like it redefined smartphones. Financials and market outlook now. Let's talk numbers. Xiaomi trades on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, 1810, and as an OTC stock, XIACY, for U.S. investors. As of late 2025, Xiaomi's market cap hovers around $55 billion USD. Despite global competition, the company remains profitable, reporting steady growth in AIoT, artificial intelligence of things, and services revenue. However, margins remain tight, and competition, especially from Huawei's comeback, continues to pressure Xiaomi's smartphone segment. Still, investors see opportunity in diversification. Xiaomi is building its EV unit into a major profit driver by 2026. Its IoT business contributes over 25% of total revenue, and its R&D spending has tripled in the past 5 years, showing strong commitment to innovation. Should you invest in Xiaomi? So is Xiaomi stock a good investment in 2025? The bull case. Massive global ecosystem. Phones, AI, EVs. Strong brand loyalty and expanding R&D growth in emerging markets and diversification. The bear case. Low margins and price competition. Regulatory risks in China. Dependence on Android ecosystem and chip suppliers. In short, Xiaomi isn't a quick profit stock. It's a long-term innovation play, a company reinventing itself from a phone maker to a full-scale tech lifestyle brand. If you believe in the future of smart ecosystems and AI-driven devices, Xiaomi could be one of Asia's most underrated tech stocks. From humble beginnings to a global powerhouse, Xiaomi embodies the spirit of innovation and accessibility. It's more than just a brand. It's a symbol of how technology can bridge economies and redefine modern life. So what do you think? Would you invest in Xiaomi stock this year, or is it too risky? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most fascinating companies. Stay connected and stay smart.